Application security. Welcome back. Today we're going to explore application security. By the end of this video, you'll know how to secure software applications and understand common vulnerabilities. Let's get started. What is application security? Application security involves measures taken to improve the security of an application, often by finding, fixing, and preventing security vulnerabilities. Common vulnerabilities. Common application vulnerabilities include SQL injection, inserting malicious SQL queries into input fields. Cross-site scripting, XSS, injecting malicious scripts into web pages. Cross-site request forgery, CSRF, forcing a user to execute unwanted actions on a web application. Preventing SQL injection. Let's look at an example of preventing SQL injection using parameterized queries in Python. Import SQLite3. Connect to the database. consqlite3.connectExample.db. Cursor con.cursor. Get user input safely. User underscore ID input, enter user ID. Use parameterized query to prevent SQL injection. Cursor.execute, select from users where ID, user underscore ID. Print cursor.fetchOn. Information security is crucial for protecting data. In the next video, we'll cover application security. Subscribe and stay tuned. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more free tech content. Stay secure. Leave your questions and comments below.